Today I am going to replace the battery of Sony's WF-H800. This earphone is a bit strange. Changing the battery of this model is a bit tricky. Compared to the XM4, it is slightly more difficult. You have to open the top cover first, remove the screws inside, and then open the bottom cover to access the inside. As usual, we first heat it up. During this winter it has frozen and become very hard. It's made of plastic and actually there is no glue. However, it is stuck very firmly and hard to pry off. Heating it softens it, making it easier to pry off. We open the top antenna cover first, then open the circuit board at the bottom. We see screws inside that must be removed first. Otherwise, it would be hard to detach the next layer underneath since they are glued together. We see it uses a 1254 battery. We also find a battery with the same specifications. After placing the battery properly, we put it into the case for charging testing to see if it charges normally. The red light is on and the green light is flashing, indicating normal charging. Since the battery replacement method is the same for both the left and right earphones, we won't demonstrate the left earphone. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.